Stop doom scrolling. Let's spend the next few minutes together planning your vacation in the 2027 Chateau 21Z. Where do you want to go? Well, first, you need a motorhome to get you there, and you want something small. 21Z is under 25 feet. That's pretty cool. There's no slides. That means it's easy to set up. You also want to bring all your stuff. I get it. Where are you going to put it? Well, massive storage bay right here. Think of all the things you can put in here and wait until you see the inside. That will swallow all of your favorite clothes. Massive closet in here. Quite a bit of storage when you look all around here. So this is a no slide, easy setup, go anywhere, seatbelts for 4, sleeping for 4, Class C RV. Full bed back here, so you can get 2 of you back here, ton of storage up above, privacy shades, everything you need, and you're just steps away from the bathroom because sometimes 2 a.m. in the morning, you're gonna need it. We've all been there, right? So shower, toilet, sink, a lot of room back there. And as we head up front, let's talk about our seating. Right here, your dream dinette. You can seat 4 in here. 2 of the seat belts right here, child safety tethers built in. This makes into a bed as well. A lot of storage up here. So we said sleeping for 4. We showed you the bed, dinette, right up here, over cab bunk. This holds 800 pounds, so sleeping for 4, or a perfect couples coach when you want your own sleeping areas. And couples, we've all been there, right? You can admit it. Go ahead, look at that person next to you and say, honey, can I have my own space tonight? Make it work for you in the 21Z, and then come together at breakfast right here in your kitchen. Flip up countertop extension, pull down sprayer, 2-burner gas cooktop, microwave, 12-volt fridge. You have auto gen start, 4,000-watt generator, runs off gas, runs off propane. Really a great setup. You can get it on a Ford, you can get it on a Chevy, both of them coming in under 25 feet. It's really a great way for you to get together with the entire family and do something else besides sitting at home on your phone.